Welcome back, everybody, to Hayes Tech. Now, today we are going to go over theming on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Now, the one thing I did want to get out right away is this video, even though I am doing it and showcasing the theming on my S22 Plus, the video is not specifically targeted for the Galaxy S22 Plus, because if you have a Samsung phone that supports Samsung theming, all of the themes, well, you can see the theme on my phone right here, all of these themes are going to work on your phone. Do you have an S9, an S10, an S20, 21? I think the Note has theming. A lot of the Samsung phones have this. So, when we come back, we are going to go over theming for your Samsung Galaxy phone. So don't go away. Okay, we are back. Again, like I said before, I'm not going to make this a really long video. I just basically wanted to show you all, what you can accomplish on your phone with, Samsung's theming app that it comes pre-installed right on the phone. There are a couple other apps that you can get through the Play Store, and just be aware that Samsung does not support those, but with those apps that you can install from the Play Store, like Theme Park, which is right here, you guys can see it, you can actually create your own themes, all right? But that is an entirely different video that I am not going to get into, but it's something that you could have fun with and create your own theme, and this app, Theme Park, gives you those tools. So we're not going to be discussing that. We are just going to be discussing the actual theme app that you have on this phone, and the way you get to that is by long pressing on the screen and go right down here to themes, and this is going to bring up Samsung's theming app. Okay, and right here is the app itself. All you have to do is just go through and look at all of the themes. Right now we are under hot and new. Okay, so when you open up the inbuilt theming app, this is what it's going to look like, okay? It says Galaxy Themes. Now notice you have featured and top. These are the top rated themes that you can throw on your device. A lot of these cost money, but several of them are actually free, and which I'm going to show you the ones I have installed. Again, the other big reason why I went with a Samsung S22 Plus over, all the other phones on the market is because Samsung supports theming. So, again, here are, the top, but it's going to open up with the featured themes first, okay? And if you just scroll down, this is what it's going to look like. If you like a theme, touch it. It's going to show you the theme, explain it a little bit, who made it. This says the sounds, ringtones, all that, because the themes, again, are going to be a complete package, meaning your wallpapers, any animations, your sounds, all of that is going to be in, the theme. But if you want to see the theme even closer, you just touch it, it expands it, and then you can scroll through the different pictures or screenshots that they show you. Right there's your dial pad, your texting. Now remember, most of these, theming features you have to use with the Samsung apps, okay? Like texting. You have to use the Samsung texting app in order to get, the look of the themes that you're running. Calculator, all that. If it's themed, it's usually themed for the Samsung app. If you're using Google apps, it's probably not going to theme that app. Okay, just letting you know now. But there you go. That is the texting. There is your drop down notifications, so if you scroll down from the top, you know, that is what that theme would make that look like. And here is your keyboard. Again, if you use the Samsung keyboard, it will theme it for you in this particular theme. And there's your lock screen, and that's it. Some of them actually play a little video. If you click on it, I'm not going to play the whole thing, but that's basically what you're going to get. Again, notice if you want that theme, all you do is click the download button. It's going to ask you to verify you want to pay that. No, I don't, so I'm just going to go back. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you all where your themes go, the ones that you purchased or downloaded for free. So basically, all you do is scroll down until you get, your basically this board right here. Scroll all the way over until you see My Stuff. Now, whenever you click on My Stuff, these are all the themes that you've downloaded. Most of the themes that I've downloaded are free. There are a couple that I purchased. If you see the check mark, that check mark is telling you which theme you have on the phone at the current time. In order to change to a different theme, here's another one I purchased. Just click on it. That's what the theme is going to look like. Hit apply. It's going to apply the theme. And that's what it looks like now. There's your icons. These are what all your icons look like. This is the drop-down shade, or your quick toggles. Settings. That is what that would look like. And if you go to, like, say, messaging, that is the messaging theme. Your phone app. As long as you use Samsung's apps, again, they will be themed. That's like contacts, again. But, I mean, there you go. Basically, that's it. Now, the one thing that's cool about this is let's go ahead and go back into themes. And let's say there's something about this theme I don't like. Number one, I don't like the icons. Well, I'm going to go ahead and change them. So let's go ahead and go back into My Stuff. And I want to go to icons. These are all the different icons I have. Basically, what I want to do is I want to run them pumpkin icons off of that last theme. I like them. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on that. We're going to hit apply. And it will only apply these icons. It won't change the theme other than these icons. So let's go home. Notice now, my icons have changed. So, okay, like I said, I wasn't going to make this a long video. I really wanted to keep it short, but I wanted to show you what you can do with a Samsung phone. And one of the 3 main reasons why I chose this phone. Number one, first and foremost, was the cameras. I showed you in my first 2 videos just how good the cameras are on this phone. Number 2, the S Pen. I love that S Pen. I can use it to take pictures, so I'm not bumping the camera if I'm taking a long distance photo, or if I want to do a selfie. Click, it makes things so much easier. And number 3 is theming. Yeah, I think that's a little crazy. A lot of people would say theming, that's not an important feature. To me, if I have the capability of theming, I'm going to theme my phone. That was one of the reasons I used to love to unlock the bootloader on my phone and run a custom ROM, because you could run themes. All you had to use was Substratum or something like that, and you could run a custom theme on your phone. I'm telling you, I love that. So again, I'm not going to keep you too long. I really just wanted to touch base with you on theming on these Samsung phones. If you have any questions, make sure you guys comment below. If you have any ideas on something else you want me to do a video on, comment below. I am going to be doing another video on this phone, and that video is going to be on basically the S Pen and what I can do with it. So that's going to be another short video. I did want to mention real quick the reason videos have been going so long. Again, I am kind of limited to what I can make videos on because of the world today and, you know, financially. But I do have plans for other videos. The other reason is I broke my foot. Right now, it is my pinky toe and the two next to it are purple, and the top of my foot is purple. I've just been able to put on my own shoes this morning, so it's getting to the point where I can walk again. So I wanted to go ahead and get this video out and you know, get something out for you all. Again, I just want to thank you all. You know, for those of you that are subscribed, I appreciate each and every one of you. If you have any ideas for any video that you would like to see, and I can do it, okay? If I can afford to get whatever it is that you want me to make the video on, because again, remember, you guys mentioned me doing videos on apps. I don't like to do a video on the free version of that app. If I'm going to do a video on it, I want to do the video on the paid version, because to me, that's the one that people are going to get. If they like it, they're going to purchase it so they can get all the features. So, but again, if you have any ideas, comment below, let me know. Alright guys, I've kept you way too long. I just want to thank each and every one of you for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.